In today's video, there are beautiful gel acrylic nail art designs. Gel acrylic nails are very trendy nail art designs. You should try out these designs and enjoy your look. Gel and acrylic nails offer a durable and long lasting base for intricate and creative designs. Here are some popular gel and acrylic nail art designs as you can see in my videos. First designs are marble effect, and these designs include some hollow and chrome 3D flowers. For 3D flowers, sculpt small flowers onto the nail using colored acrylic and then paint and add a rhinestone. For marble effect, you can use some two or more shades to create a beautiful marble effect. For glitter umber, you can start with a solid color and fade this color into a glittery tip. You can also try a negative space and a hollow and chrome nail art designs. Holographic nails are very beautiful and trendy nail art designs. This is a new design, and jeweled accent is also very beautiful. For jeweled accents, attach small rhinestones, studs or pearls onto the nails in pattern or an accent pieces. You can also try matte and gloss using a combination of matte and glossy top coats to create contrasting textures on your nails. Try out lace designs, cat eye effect, and geometric patterns also. Nude and gold are one of the most beautiful nail art designs that you can try. Try out all these nail art designs and tell me if you want to see any tutorial. See you soon. Thank you.